Exercise 4.3. In solving the quadratic equation, now we are going to learn by completing the square method. So solving the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Now let us take exercise 4.3, the first Roman letter, first subdivision. It is given that 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation since it is in the form of x square, x and constant term. So now we have to solve this by completing the square method. Okay. So first we have to write the question, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then first step what we have to do is, let us look at the coefficient of x square. So here the coefficient of x square is 2. So we have to divide the entire equation by 2. If it is 5 means we have to divide each term by 5. If it is minus 7 means we have to divide each term by minus 7. Okay. So the coefficient of x square is 2. So we have to divide the entire term by 2. So 2x square by 2 means 2 can be cancelled. The remaining is x square. And this is minus 7 by x. This is 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Next step is, we have to retain x square term and x term on left hand side. The constant term should be transferred to the right hand side. Since in the left hand side it is as plus 3 by 2, when we switch over to the right hand side that becomes as minus 3 by 2. Okay. Next step is, we have to take the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is 7 by 2. So this 7 by 2, which means the coefficient of x has to be divided by 2. Suppose if you are getting 15x means you have to divide 15 divided by 2. So the coefficient of x should be divided by 2. Don't take with sign, but only the number has to be taken. So here it is 7 by 2 means 7 by 2 divided by 2. எந்த நம்பர் இருந்தாலுமே divide by 2 தான். சரிங்களா? அப்போ this is 2 by 1, so it becomes 7 by 2 into 1 by 2, reciprocal form. So 7 into 1 is 7, 2 into 2 will be 4. So now we have got 7 by 4. This 7 by 4 has to be added in both the side as squaring. So 7 by 4 the whole square, and similarly here 7 by 4 the whole square. So both left hand side and right hand side, ரெண்டு சைடுமே 7 by 4 the whole square, 7 by 4 the whole square சொல்லிட்டு add பண்ணணும். Now this is in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. So this can be written as a minus b the whole square, which means a is x, b is 7 by 4 the whole square. Now for right hand side it is minus 3 by 2, let it be as it is. Here it is 7 square means 49, 4 square means 16. So this is minus 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16 by taking LCM. So I have taken 16 as LCM, which means this 2 has to be multiplied by 8 times. So that we will be getting 16. So the numerator also has to be multiplied by 8. So minus 3 into 8 is minus 24. And this is 49 into 1, that is 49. So on simplification we will be getting minus 24 plus 49 is plus 25 divided by 16, which means x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to 25 by 16. And then x minus 7 by 4 the whole square is equal to, this 25 can be written as 5 and 16 can be written as 4. So 5 by 4 the whole square. So 5 square divided by 4 square, which means we can write 5 by 4 the whole square. Okay. This 25, that is 5 square, and 16 means 4 square. So now we can cancel these powers. So now this power 2 can be cancelled. Therefore this can be written as x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus or minus. So we have to consider both the positive sign as well as negative sign. Plus or minus 5 by 4. Now let us equate with x minus 7 by 4 is equal to plus 5 by 4. And this side x minus 7 by 4 is equal to minus 5 by 4. So on simplification x is equal to this minus 7 by 4, when we change the side as plus 7 by 4 by taking LCM 4, so 5 plus 7 is 12, so 12 by 4 on cancellation we will be getting x is equal to 3. Similarly, this is x is equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4 on taking LCM, minus 5 plus 7, that is plus 2 by 4 on cancellation we will be getting x is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, the value of x is equal to 3 and the value of x is equal to 1 by 2. So, this is the method by completing the square. Exercise 4.3, second Roman letter. We have to solve the first Roman letter in the formula method. So, first Roman letter is completing the square method, and the second Roman letter is the same sums has to be solved by using formula method. So for the formula method, the formula is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. So the first question, the same question, we have to solve the first subdivision, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0. So here a is equal to plus 2 and b is equal to minus 7 and c is equal to plus 3. A, B, C we have to consider. Now we have to substitute in the formula. So the formula we know x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So b means already in the formula we have minus. So minus of minus 7 plus or minus square root of b square means minus 7 the whole square minus 4 into a means plus 2 and c means plus 3. So this is minus into minus will be plus 7 plus or minus minus 7 the whole square means plus 49 minus 2 4s are 8, 8 into 3 will be 24. So by subtraction we will be getting square root of 25. So square root of 25 can be written as 5. So one possibility is x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4. The other possibility is x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. So by simplification 7 plus 5 is 12. So 12 by 4. By cancellation we will be getting x is equal to 3. And here 7 minus 5 is 2. So 2 by 4 on cancellation we will be getting 1 by 2. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. So in whatever method we solve, we will be getting the same answer. So this is called formula method. Now exercise 4.3, the third subdivision. So 4x square plus 4 square root of 3x plus 3 equal to 0. So this sum has to be done in both completing the square method as well as formula method. So first let us do in completing the square method. So 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now the first step is let us look at the coefficient of x square. Here it is the coefficient of x square is 4. So we have to divide each term by 4. So 4x square by 4 plus 4 root 3 divided by 4 into x plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. So this 4 can be cancelled. Here also 4 can be cancelled. So here we cannot cancel, so let it be as it is. So the equation becomes x square plus root 3x plus 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Next step is we have to retain x square term and x term on left hand side. The constant term should be changed to right hand side. So that is minus 3 by 4. Then the next step is we have to take the coefficient of x. So here the coefficient of x is square root of 3. So this has to be divided by 2. Okay, the coefficient of x is divided by 2. So this becomes square root of 3 by 2. The next step is we have to add this square root of 3 by 2 on both the side, both left hand side and right hand side. So this is square root of 3 by 2 the whole square, and similarly for right hand side square root of 3 by 2 the whole square. So we have to add on both ends. Now it becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square form, which means this is a plus b the whole square. So a is x and b is square root of 3 by 2 the whole square. Okay. And here it is minus 3 by 4. Now we have to square. Square root of 3 means it becomes 3. 2 square means 4. By taking LCM. So minus 3 plus 3 by 4, it becomes 0. 0 by any number is always 0. So this is x plus square root of 3 by 2 the whole square is equal to 0. On taking square root, this square can be cancelled. So that it becomes x plus square root of 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus square root of 3 by 2. So this is completing the square method. Now exercise 4.3, the second Roman letter, the same sum has to be solved in formula method. So the question is 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. Let us consider a is equal to plus 4 and b is equal to plus 4 root 3 and c is equal to 3. So the formula we know x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This division is both this term as well as this term. Okay. So the value of b is plus 4 root 3. So we have substituted minus of 4 root 3 plus or minus 4 root 3 the whole square minus 4 into a means 4 and c means 3. So this is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus square root of, so 4 root 3 on squaring. So 4 square into root 3 square. 4 square means 16. Root 3 square means 3. Okay. So 4 4s are 16. 16 into 3 is 48. And 2 4s are 8. So this is minus 4 root 3 plus or minus 3 into 16 is 48 minus 48. So it becomes 0. So the remaining is x is equal to minus 4 root 3 by 8. On cancellation 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8. We will be getting x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. So we have arrived at the same answer.